Do-it-yourself projects at home are not always easy. Do-it-yourself projects anywhere are not always easy, but it can help a lot when you have the proper tools, like this level laser by Envéntor. This laser level is a really, really good tool. I like this. It has the automatic showing if it's level or not, and it blinks on and off to show if it's not level. And you can know just by that. It also has the little thread right here, which you can hook it into the bracket that comes with it to give it that 360 degree all the way around. And it stays connected, which I love this. You can't lose it because it stays connected. So you can have the 360 degree all the way around to make sure that your lines are straight and perfect all the way 360 degrees. It also has the charging, it's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about the battery running out because you know exactly how much battery that you have in this tool. It also comes with this little tool that has the magnetic part on the end of it. So you can use this to actually do some measurements and have things, make your lines and things of that nature. The booklet is fantastic. It is so user friendly, and it comes with its own little Envéntor case, which is very sturdy, very durable, and has the foam inside as well to keep your laser level protected. Now let's go ahead and turn this on so you can see a little bit how it works. On the back of it, this is where you charge your cord in. On the back of it, the top button, as you see right here, actually changes it from level. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's not there. There's not blinking. That means it's straight. When it starts blinking, it is not straight. So you can mount this with this mounting bracket on a piece of wood, or mount it to the wall, or mount it to something so that you know that it is staying sturdy, and you can move it. It has on this one, you see the crosshairs, but you can push the button and change it to just straight up and down, vertical, or you can change it and make it horizontal. And again, when it's not level, like right now it's not level, so it is continually blinking. And when you get it level, you may think it's level, but it is actually not level. But the laser level knows. This is the laser level by Envéntor.